Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome back to Let's Explore. Today, we're taking you on a road trip through Texas to discover the top 10 most scenic routes. Whether you're a nature lover, history buff, or just looking for an adventure, these routes have something for everyone. So let's hit the road. First up, we have the Hill Country route from Austin to Fredericksburg. This drive is a symphony of rolling hills, wildflower meadows, and charming small towns. Don't forget to stop by the Enchanted Rock State Natural Area for some hiking. Fun fact, did you know that Texas is home to the bluebonnet, its state flower? During spring, these flowers blanket the hills, creating a picturesque scene. Next, let's head west to the Davis Mountains Scenic Loop. This 75-mile loop offers stunning views of rugged mountains, rich wildlife, and historical sites. It's a paradise for photographers and nature enthusiasts. Fun fact, the Davis Mountains are one of the most biologically diverse areas in Texas, home to species you won't find anywhere else in the state. For those craving adventure, the drive through Big Bend National Park is a must. The rugged landscape, deep canyons, and vast desert will make you feel like you're on another planet. Fun fact, Big Bend is one of the least visited national parks, which means you can enjoy its beauty without the crowds. If you love the ocean, the Texas Gulf Coast route from Corpus Christi to Galveston is for you. Sandy beaches, coastal wildlife, and delicious seafood await you on this scenic drive. Fun fact, Texas has over 350 miles of coastline along the Gulf of Mexico, offering plenty of opportunities for beach lovers. Step back in time on El Camino Real de los Tejas, a historic route that dates back to the Spanish colonial era. This route is filled with historical landmarks and beautiful countryside. Fun fact, El Camino Real de los Tejas was used for over 300 years as a major thoroughfare for settlers, soldiers, and traders. Enjoying the ride so far? Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button for more travel adventures and tips. Explore the rich history of Texas on the Texas Forts Trail. This route connects several historic forts, each with its own unique story and architecture. For a fall foliage experience, drive through the Pineywoods Autumn Trail. The vibrant colors and cool, crisp air make this route a seasonal favorite. Another gem in Big Bend, the River Road offers stunning views of the Rio Grande and the surrounding desert landscape. Perfect for off-road enthusiasts. This scenic highway takes you through the heart of Texas history, from the Spanish missions to the battlefields of the Texas Revolution. Last but not least, the Devil's Backbone is a winding, hilly drive that offers some of the most spectacular views in Texas. Perfect for a leisurely Sunday drive. Despite its name, the Devil's Backbone is actually one of the most tranquil and scenic drives in Texas. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 most scenic routes in Texas. Which one are you most excited to explore? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring.